Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to install Windows 8.1 Pro version on VMware Workstation Pro version 15. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the VMware Workstation tool. Okay, and the second one we have to prepare the ISO file which contains the Windows 8.1. Okay. So here I'm going to have to create new VMware. Okay. Keep this one is typical. Like, and the next one I will select the option number 2. Install this image file. And so now go ahead select the ISO file for Windows 8.1. Okay. You can see here it's displaying the message is Windows 8.1 64 bits detected. Okay, you click on next button here. On this page, on this screen, you have to enter the Windows product key if you already have, and if you don't have the key, you can let it blank and update it later on in the window. On the next one, we have to select the version of Windows to install. And here in this ISO file, it only supports for version 8.1 Pro. So here it have only one option. Personalize Windows, the full name. Okay. CNVS and the password. This one is optional, so you can let. So in this video, I will leave it blank. Click on next button. Okay. Click on it. And here on this pop-up, we have to provide the virtual machine name for Windows 8.1. And here I will provide the Windows 8.1 as a location. You can change it. Okay, I keep it by default. Click on next button. On this step, we have to specify the maximum disk size for the window. And here I will change it to the 40. Okay. This option I will select split virtual disk into multiple files. Okay. You can also select the first option. It will save all of the data of the window into a single file. Okay. Next. It will automatically allocate the 2 GB megabyte of RAM for this virtual machine. If you want to do some change, you can click on customize hardware button here. Okay, you can increase the RAM for this virtual machine. So now I go ahead to increase it to the 4 GB. Okay, the processor increase it to 2. Okay, and other one will be kept by default. Click on close button. Finish. Here, clicking on the finish, it will automatically create a new VMware based on the setting information we have done. Okay, you can take some seconds to create a new virtual machine. Okay, and after that, it will automatically start the window to install the operating system for this virtual machine. Okay, on the menus, you can click on the enter full screen mode to view full screen of the window. Okay. On the top, we have a message to read it. You can press Ctrl and Alt on the keyboard to escape the full screen mode of virtual machine. Yeah, so now it go ahead to copy the file, and after that going ahead to install the window. and its feature. Okay. Yeah. So now it needs to be restarted. Okay. So here for the first time, you need to have some time to set up the desktop screen and another things for the window. Here, so now let's get started. This is the default desktop screen of the Windows 8.1. Okay. And after that, it will automatically install the VM tool setup file, which will have to install some drivers for the window. You can see here, the screen is not displaying fully, so after we install this tool, it will auto adjust the screen for displaying the fully. Yes, it looks better for now. It will be restarted, change the window to apply the new change. Yes, it's back, and you can see for now the desktop screen look very nice. Try to open some folder of the window, and after that, for now you are able to enjoy with the new operating system Windows 8.1 on your virtual machine. Yeah, you can view in property information of the Windows 8.1, and we are going to change the computer name, because by default after you install the Windows, it will enter a default name for the Windows PC. Yes, and we need to restart the PC to apply new name for the PC, but here I will restart later. Yeah, you can see we have a message. The new name will be changed to GNVS after we restart the PC. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish the video, with this video, you know how to install the Windows 8.1 on VMware Workstation version 15. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you later.